Assalamu alaikum everyone, Idil here again, nutritionist, health educator. I live in Toronto and founder of Idil's World, and today I'm here to talk to you about your gut health. 70 to 80% of our immune health lives in our gut. We cannot be healthy if our gut is not healthy. It actually supports not only your physical health, but your mental and emotional health as well. So today, let's discuss how we can keep our gut health healthy. So our T cells, which are the soldiers of our immune cells, are really, our gut bacteria communicates with them and tells them what to do. It helps them identify what's a foreign object and invader or what's a part of your body. So it's gonna either allow the invader in or it's going to fight back. And what decides that? It's your gut bacteria. Gut bacteria or gut microbe, and if you've heard of it, is 80% good, 20% bad, and they are in synergy. And when that balance is disturbed, our health is disturbed. So why do you need your gut bacteria? A, it's teaching your immune cells what to do. B, it's helping break down all the nutrients from your food, and it helps your digestion. But it also helps your gut health actually communicates with your brain. There's so much communication between your brain and your gut, and there's about 90% of communication that's going on. So think about all the things that could happen if that is disturbed. So how can we keep that healthy? A, hydrating. B, making sure that you're eating fermented foods that provide you with probiotics, which is re-inoculating the gut with the good bacteria. Things such as kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Every culture has its own fermented food, so think about what's in your culture that you can eat. We eat lemon, which is like something that is like, it's a kefir or sour yogurt, and these things have natural bacteria. And also eating foods like prebiotic, which are in the green vegetables, bitter arugula, dandelion. All of these things help keep these healthy bacteria alive and well. Okay, so those two things, hydrating, and what else? Movement. Really making sure that you're constantly eliminating and helping all the food easily get digested and to sort of get rid of all the toxins. Your digestion is working so hard, but if you're not eliminating, you're not really, your body's really absorbing all of that, and then really fighting with everything that your digestion did for you. Again, there's so many ways. I have a lot of things on my page, but one of the simple things I do every morning is I drink lemon water with ginger and turmeric. Super simple way to sort of wake up your digestion gently and then help your liver sort of detoxify and get started for the day, and to sort of add things that are warming to your body. Again, my name is Idil, nutritionist, health educator. Stay in touch with me at Idil's World. I look forward to having this conversation again. Until next episode.